Hey, what's up, guys? This is David live with the Success Keeper. Today I'm just gonna record a short video. The Success Keeper, I talk on this channel about how to make money online. I talk about inspiration and motivation. I come to you almost every single day, and today I want to share something that I read online, and it's about the car Tesla, the electric car. I think most of you knows what kind of car that is. And I read that last month Elon Musk announced that he is going to close all offline stores that sells his car. That means he's gonna close all dealerships, brick and mortar dealerships that sell the Tesla cars, and all of his cars will be sold online. And that made me think what an incredible opportunity that is for online marketers. Imagine the commission for selling a $30,000 plus car. Imagine you advertise online on social media, YouTube for example, and somebody clicks on the link and then go ahead and decides to check out the information and then buy the car, and you get a commission off of that, off of let's say $40,000 or $50,000 sale, and you do it, I don't know, once or twice a month. If you sell twice, 2 cars, 3 cars a month, imagine the commission on that. What an incredible opportunity. Nowadays it's easier than ever to make money online. We have 18-year-olds, 20-year-olds becoming millionaires just from posting pictures or videos online on YouTube. And it's not a rocket science. I became an affiliate of one of those online marketing companies, and they have a really good program for beginners. If you've never done anything online, if you've never made $1 online, then I highly recommend to sign up with one of these companies that have coaches and that will guide you from day one and tell you exactly what you need to know, how to market online, how to market on YouTube, on Instagram, and have different trainings ready for you. They need to have support group, and you should be able to contact other people within the company to help you if you get stuck with anything. But having a personal coach is a huge thing when you start a online business and you are brand new to it. I'm gonna leave a link below this video, and with my number one recommendation for online marketing program for online business, and I invite you to click on it and feel free to check it out. We have a 1 month free trial. You're gonna have your own coach. They will talk to you from day one, and they will give you like step-by-step process, teach you how things work. Okay, so if you have any questions or comments, please post them below this video. If you like my channel, if you like my videos, I invite you to subscribe to my channel, to Success Keeper, and I will speak with you soon with another video. But I want you to realize that now is the time to become your own boss, to start learning new skills, how to market online, how to use social media to promote other people's products or services. Or maybe you have your own product that you want to promote but you don't know how to do it online. So I highly encourage you to start learning the online marketing the online marketing process and how it's done. And like I said before, I'm gonna leave a link below this video so you can check it out. Okay, you have a great day, and I will speak with you soon. This was David with the Success Keeper, and I hope you have a fabulous day. You take care for now.